So we were using this tractor to remove a small tree stump, and you can see it actually rattled some of these bolts out. And I'm surprised that a tree stump that small could have actually done this much. And here's the tree stump. As you can see, we did get it, but that was definitely a lot of work. After we removed the stump, we noticed some rattle whenever we would move the loader up. So now we'll take an 1 1/8" socket and tighten it up. I can't believe a little tree stump would loosen these up that much. These are tight here, which is good, but you could really feel the tractor rattle with those other ones on the other side when they were loose. So it looks like we're missing a bolt here. That's probably a trip to Tractor Supply or Rural King. And some of these are so loose, I can actually spin them with my hand. So that's not good. We need to fix that. We got these huge sockets set at Harbor Freight. And this is a necessity if you're working on tractors like this. And this 1-inch extension that we have, I cannot pull this off right now. You can't pull it off with your hand. You have to take a screwdriver and in here push this button, and then the socket just comes right off. I just found an easier way that you can do this. This black ring here, if you push this down, then the socket will come out too. Now let's tighten these up using an 1.5" socket, because we definitely don't want these coming off. Whenever you tighten them, you want to tighten them just like you're tightening wheels on a car. So you'd be tightening them in a star pattern so the wheel goes on evenly. So working on a tractor and taking care of a tractor can sure be a lot of work, but it does just about the amount of like 10 people's work a lot faster. And we picked up this tractor for around $1,500, and we've been making it better every year. So we just replaced 4 seals on the differential, and it doesn't leak fluid now, so that's great. So I found some other loose ones on the other side, but they sure are a lot better than what they were on the other side. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.